Hi friends, under the chapter number 1 real numbers exercise 1.1, in question number 2 it's been asked us to find any rational number between pair of numbers given below. So in question number 2 it's been asked to find 3 sub questions. So out of 3 I have picked only 2, second one and third one, because I felt these two are a bit difficult when compared to the first one. So let's solve the second sub question first. So in the question 3 1 by 3 and 3 2 by 3 are common fractions. Let's convert these common fractions into proper fractions first. So 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10 by 3, and 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11 by 3. So 10 by 3 and 11 by 3 both are in the form of p by q, and q is not equals to 0. So let's solve these two fractions first to find out which is rational number. So 10 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9 1.0, 3 9 1 again 0, 3 is 9 again 1. So here once you observe, the remainder is not 0, and after the decimal point 3 keeps on getting repeated continuously. So the answer for 10 by 3 is 3.33333. So you can put it as 3.3 bar. Hence it is a non-terminating because the remainder is not 0, and it's a repeating decimal because after the decimal point 3 keeps on getting repeated continuously. Hence 10 by 3 is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. Hence it is a rational number. So let's solve 3 2 by 3, which is 11 by 3. Let's divide 11 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 11 minus 9 2, put a point 0, 6 18, 20 minus 18 0, 2 again 0, 6 18 again 2. Here 11 by 3 equals to 3.666. Here you can put it as 3.6 bar. Here once you observe, the remainder is not 0, and after the decimal point 6 keeps on getting repeated continuously. Hence this is like 11 by 3 is the fraction where remainder is not 0 and the decimal is keeping on getting repeated. Hence it is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. So 11 by 3 is also a rational number. So in the given question, both 10 by 3 and 11 by 3 are rational numbers. Rational numbers. Let's solve the sub question 3. Square root of 4 by 9 can be written as square root of 4 by square root of 9. Square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. So here let's divide 2 by 3. So put a point, 6 18, 20 minus 18 2, again 0.0, 6 18 into 0.0, again 18, 20 minus 18 2. Here once you observe, the remainder is not 0, and after the point 6 is keeping on repeating. Okay, hence 2 by 3 equals to 0.666 and so on, that is equals to 0.6 bar, and hence 2 by 3 is also a non-terminating and repeating decimal. Hence it's a rational number. So square root of 4 by 9 is a rational number. And in the square root of 2, so square root of 2, already we have seen this solving in the previous video. So the solution will be 1.4142, because here after the decimal point the decimals are repeating in here the decimals are repeating, but they are not repeating in a continuous manner because here the decimals are uneven. So we can conclude that square root of 2 is an irrational number Okay, so in the given sub question, first one square root of 4 by 9 is a rational number and square root of 2 is an irrational number.